jam for y'all, for y'all, for y'all.
Let's all clap to the music.
It's refreshing all the parts that the enters don't reach. It's the at the mic stand, the main feature. Easy cool breeze, a breezy not stormy, a breath of fresh air, cause none come before me. I won't dilute around to call me concentrator. Projected made effective on the passive radiator. Now that's a flat speaker, and here's my ammunition. It's all a matter, give them some touch mechanism. So stay invigorated and I'll set up for sweet. It's the cool breeze, new kicks upon my feet. Oh yeah, the avenue, got to check out. The avenue, got to check out. The avenue, got to check out. At the mic center with gravitational pull. The people up the street until the party is full. Police give us trouble, police give us fuss. We hold the parties on the front line, they don't get bust. They're breaking down the door, the name of the law. At the window goes the dealer, down my trousers goes my jaw. It's easy on the mic, or tearing it to pieces. Beats rocking and reinforced by my thesis. Don't play it in your homes, don't bother with phones. It's tearing down the neighborhoods and no-go zones. Listen up, or français de écouter. What time will use Sony, or maybe TDK. And whether we decide upon chrome oxide, tapes that will listen to my lyrics subside. Get the gist, it goes like this. Don't need to wear a Uzi, watch you wrap around my wrist. Don't have to bite the hand that holds the microphone. Smoking yours at the party, I smoke mine alone. A lyrical mechanic making money, a commodity. Keep it in a Swiss bank for security. Swiss account number on my mic and I know. Aim to make a million, that's a 1 in 6 O's. It's D upon the mic, that's right, I wrote them all. Sounds making people dance around me like a toilet bowl. Posse moves selected and vital. Lyrics that are waste, too short to be recycled. Stand still, you will. Lyrics I have to spill, overloading amplifiers until I pop a fill. And when I went to school, do what they taught me. The English, the language, to be or not to be. Every 2 world wars, it's also history. I take a mathematics in the level GCE. It's what you wanna be, or what you wanna do. Take a 9 to 5 career, join the back of the queue. A sorry mates of me upon the mic at 3D. To envious contenders, it's a say la vie.
Out of time. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Got to check out the avenue. Got to check out. Posse move upon the mic, a bustin' up upon the rhyme. Budweiser ain't the bus, it ain't Miller time. Attendance and a brew, a split to see me through. You pass the microphone, nice up the venue. We get no trouble from the boys in blue. A wild bunch crew, we're tearing down the avenue. Electric is the atmosphere that we conduct. You hear a cry for murder, my rhyme already struck. Oh my god, it's at the bomb. You listen to my song, kill a brew with the crew. It's coming on strong, it rocks a combination. It's kicking in solo, cause people like me, like a people like Polo. And it's not Corleone, one bunch explosione. Creating and tipping on the system by Sony. It's warming up the temp, we set the thermostat. It's wolf, not sheep, I turn the killer brew flat. You don't get vexed, 87 comes next. And if I was a dinosaur, my title would be Rex. Now fronting big names, jewelry on display. And sporting all the things that you stole the other day. We're coughing up fire, we're kicking up dust. Corroding all the fake and turning gold into rust. It's live and direct, it ain't the vicious humor. Your posse move, bust a groover like a set humor. It's Wild Bunch crew, it's in your circulation. You're paying for the party or you come by invitation. Rewind it if you like it, you play it once more. To turn around to once and say you heard it all before.
Oh yeah.
The avenue. The avenue.
Oh yeah.
The avenue. The avenue.
Oh yeah.
Got to check out the avenue. The avenue.
Oh yeah.
Got to check out the avenue. The avenue.
Oh yeah.
The avenue. The avenue. you know, with these at large, with a little bit of my own Lafarge. It's on, the dawn, I know I can't go wrong, it's Christy in the yawn, it's a roller on, that's right, you know, I get my pay, I jump into my gear without delay, it's El Caprino, it's stepping on the street, a fresh birds upon my head, a new kicks upon my feet, a weekend by Sony, and Sony is sweet, I still can't relax it when the ladies rush me, the matter over me, singing the matter on me, they want me to tag up on the stage in the ring, the privilege at the party, singing this complimentary, autograph it don't mean you're paying no money, Wild Bird's crew, and Nike penetrative, looking so fresh, all the other crews hate, you know what we do to improve our status, spending our pounds just like per se, so blow on the whistle, you lick up on the wood, the Wild Bird's crew is tearing down the neighborhood, like no miss, empty cool breeze, watch it's nice and easy, nice and easy, empty cool breezy, nice and easy, empty cool breezy, see up on the mic, singing the day the Lord died, putting on my back, stepping outside, the muches in the night, singing the rockets on Memphis, like tagging up upon a clip, and your stuff is cigarette, bump jacket on my back, you know it's rigid, open up a crucial brew, it's hot, it's delicious, je ne sais quoi, man looking like a vandal, the girl next door's got my burning like a pound of empty blue, I can't kiss you, I know you're kinda dishy, but oh, I got the flu, don't worry yourself, baby, I'm immune, hands slick, with my Vita Sassoon, is it, ain't my baby, that's right, my baby used to hold me, so spicy, I'm the cool breeze, just take a operator when the ladies start rushing, I'm saying see you later, after the dance is through, you know I wanna be with you and your crew, there's no way, baby, it's walk for choice, I kiss a little bit on my MCD boy, baby, just kiss for me, well that's funny, cause the label on my shirt sends for you my money, a limited edition in a retrospect, you push me too hard, the speakers get wrecked, I'm crushing the position, it's shaka willing juice, leave a sign around your neck, it's out of use, creating that tape and the Polarion system, it got a metal last fresh ladies out, get the gist, it goes like this, don't need to wear a Gucci while you wrap around my wrist, really, stay nice and easy, stick upon the mic, like this. Nice and easy.
Yeah, nice and easy in the place to be. The minister rap himself. MC we like this, like quality that I possess. Just hard to contain, just like a line to the double rock of my domain of the runner. There is a night I can't entertain, but when I open my mouth, the lyrics rain, but deep down in my heart I have a burning pain. I took a football pain, but keep a core chain. That's how I met this Tuesday, and that's the name. You know that I'm your lowest pain, not my lower change, more sensible into your mind than the cocaine. So what I just said, maybe both will evade, but I will do it great ease, and out no shame. So then I asked the once, but after again, if a sucker faggot boys when this was a certain name. She looks into my eye under that space, well I come back. Would you earn the rest? She flies high in the sky with an F on the chest. But while I did stress with an educated gas, I can revolve the contest. They're not fast, so when I pick up the microphone, I'm bound to impress the Willie Wee, Yeah, you know 3D, 3D, my man Chrissy Chris. I don't forget MCs to the place to be. A man like Daddy G, DJ Nelly, also my man Milo, my man E-Mix. Yeah, rocking down. The beat is rough and it's tough. Right, we're rocking on.
Like this, Adidas. My Adidas are made in every shade. That's why they come in leather, I prefer them in suede. Success I like snipes, I rate a few mistakes. Keep me fit overseas, so people immigrate. You know it. Suckers turn up everywhere in stereotypes. They're claiming Adidas. What's up? Sign. My Adidas are made in every shade. That's why they come in leather, I prefer them in suede. Some says I like snipes, I race a few mistakes. Keep me fresh overseas, so people immigrate. Suckers turn up everywhere in stereotypes. They're claiming Adidas, but only got 2 stripes. But a few rhymes, the suckers dispersed. They're walking out and rockin' nose, ain't heard a Converse. No, it false, it's true, the mic, I'm bustin' before my flow. Whether sucker empties will be left with, so listen to this. If you're a feminist, don't listen to this. If you're a feminist, no girl should listen to my rendition unless chillin' in the missionary position. She ain't that fit, but she's positively 40. I'm 21 again and she's pushing 40. You know it. Oh hell, why not? I might as well. She's all wishy-washy, but I could tell she wet and willing, and I'm just chillin'. I rose to the occasion and I went for the filling. Now it could have been something I said or said. We're laying on the bedspread and she's giving head, and I'm making out. I got no bread. MC Blue, you see him, but you know it. I'm playing dead.
but you don't get mad. Oh, you don't get
Albino, black of Puerto Rico. Welcome, the birth of the new rap Negro. Stiletto, amigo, born and raised in the ghetto. An age-old story, and this is how it go. They call me black, my skin is brown. I don't mind, my soul is blacker. Brothers in Brazil, Ethiopia, and Dhaka. So when it comes to writing rhymes, I do so for a cause. I write my rhymes myself, I hope you do the same with yours.
Being white and on the mic doesn't mean it just stand for what's white, that's not right. Spend our lives in the end doing nothing for each other. Never cast a thought for our sisters and brothers. Yes, so broaden your horizon, because it's rising. You listen to it twice and the place in my heart. The brothers ain't apart, black and white live together if it's smart.
On the TV, watch the struggle of blacks in South Africa, where people like to juggle with the bat and machine guns and an act. It's serious, because my people, they are suffering. Invited them to stay and repay by conjuring ways of controlling this land of sun and peace, converted into a place where the gunshots never cease. Equality, nothing more do I ask, not your life or your money. No great task, like a waterfall. Drops working together. If we all unite, we could all weather the storm, yeah. We weather a long cold winter. You're my brother, be you a soother or a sinner. So take heed to the words that I'm saying. It's like that, I'm not going, I'm staying.
Settle, bad boy, you gotta settle. Because we're stinging like nettle, we suit you with dettle. But where did your cash come from? And your girl, what's your occupation? We got police and thieves on the streets, just fighting each other with the guns and ammunition. Dance to the drummer's beats. Listen up this time, this is limited edition. Different kind of dialect, but not patois. In the party, got the white boy, you chap what you like on the mic with duty calls. Just like the messages are painted on walls, that's in color. This is down in black and white, that's right. It's the fact, science type, it's the massive attack. You're on the right track. You know I'm white, but my brothers are black. Remember history, cause you know about slavery. Eat Caribbean, cause you like it savory.
Our own sometimes forget what color they are, but it's for them to discover and respect, not resent, in order to protect and prevent our kids not knowing the facts that were hidden from us in an act to keep us mellow and calm, save them from harm, make us this song, tried to fool us with charm. We ran faster, fought harder, but they still kept us back. Not for something wrong we done, but because we were black. The progression is slow, and life isn't cheap, and after all, still waters run deep.
Rock it down to the Wild Bunch crew. This is what we call the rough and the smooth. Designed to make your body move. Yeah, this one goes out to Nelly, 3D, and the man like Willie Willie. And also the Too Bad, yeah, the Too Bad. That's right, come on, let's go! Woo! You're rocking to the Wild Woods crew, the #1 sound in Bristol town. So if you like it, just put your hands in the air. Jake Thompson, hands in the air. Come on. You rock it. The rough and the smooth, designed to make your body move.
Yeah, synchronize your watches, adjust your clocks. Goes through the amplifier, out the speaker box. The wild burns test this, to make you restless. Don't squeeze the door, cause you wasn't on the guest list. Way of saying is, style that I made 'em in. Keeps me going on, it's like a pyramid. 3 after 3, to step after me. To live a good life in good company. To live I need air, to survive I need water. Ultraviolet rays, another tape recorder. A fresh Sony tape with a no hit slap. Bam upon my temper so you pass the wrist slap. Burn it in the party, you never catch dry. To jam the microphone you need a natural high. On a mic now, you need more syllable. The mic won't empty, cause it's refillable. Time I drop a stylus down, and when it's in, you mix it down the rhythm, it sounds the medicine. Bubble, on a microphone, there be no trouble. Say music, get the food off like I say double. Step closer to my broadcast, with the cool breeze is my forecast. Sitting by my cat who made you in the shade. Drinking Southern Comfort and yes, some lemonade. Not a heartbreaker, not a life taker. Smoking sweet sensei all the way from Jamaica. Pass the floor, would you suck it to my lung? Savor the rhyme, I roll around on my tongue. Voice ain't sour, electric gives the power. It ain't a heavy rain, it ain't a light shower. Ain't a sunny day in South of my contemporaries. Ain't the weatherman, sounds like MC Cool Breeze. The rhyme that's running like water, filling up C90 tapes on your tape recorder. Plus is ready, you know they're gonna stick with my groove and be drinking more liquid. I'll be cooling my thirst with words that I spit, so the mic till it's wet with rhymes that I rip. You see there's nothing to it, the rhyme runs fluid. Then I make it strong so the beat gets fluid. Posse extra large and my posse is XL. It's on a Rexel, you ride it on a Maxell. I like an Axel to speak. I know your spirit's willing but your flesh is weak. If you're acting careless, things could be dangerous, cause the AIDS virus takes no prisoners. I'm cool, not a room temperature. See me on camera, check out the aperture. Get me in focus, look through the lens. Should have been relaxing, instead you was tense. No dust on the needle, no static. If the dish jumps, use tactics. But if the dish jumps, how can I stay with it? DJ should know better than to play with it. So synchronize your watch again, adjust your clocks. Goes through the amplifier, out the speaker box. And I dare, you hear me at the rear, I can see. And then all I need is the air that I breathe. Comes out my mouth, starts in my chest. Ends up in the crowd where it sounds best. So time flies, and money buys. Won't shoot till I see the whites of your eyes. Be nice on the mic, it's been fun. Just to shoot off my mouth like a machine gun.
Buzz around like a military action plus. All around, stop, really bad. With the violence on the streets like the main attraction. People waging war for everywhere. And all the suckers at the top who really don't care. You know we don't get no say at all. But one way to get hurt is put your arm on the wall. Design 3D, but they play designs in the graffiti game. You got no chance. Hey, Dick Chase, I switch my eyes into hyperspace. With the W, the I, the double L, double E. That's her, that's really weak. A cheap rocker on the mic. MC Supreme, and my name is Hap. To the highest seat. And I'm stuck by the rocket to the top. Hip hop and everybody get poppin' and fucking me up. With the rhyme all the time. About to fight on your mind. Now you know on the go, they're fucking me up. With the hey, diddle, my mellow in the middle. Always ours, never left. They're fucking me up. I'm on my way, on the radio, even though we devastated. We will love, they were hate, they're fucking me up. So wiggle your body, how move your knees. So with the two MCs who inevitably we'll rock the mic and we never cease. We're here to bring rhymes and a little bit of peace to your body and all to your soul. Listen up, party people, let me play the role. We play the role and the role we play. Well, that's the two MCs with a lot to say. But that's right, we're two, we're one and the same. We're here to claim fame, but we're not to blame. We're on, yeah, we're on the end. So listen up, our party people, so you better prepare for the W, the I, the L. We're two MCs are making history. I'm with the B, the U, the N is the H. We're gonna give her a rap to which you can relate. Or just listen to my story, a bit farewell to an MC pilot who was out to sell. This story all the rappers of the future will tell. An MC arose to fame and then fell like mirror, mirror, mirror on my wall. Who's got the best rhyme, the words and all. And when the truth was told, it was safe to see. It was the master on the mic, the Dusty Duddy D. He stole my rhyme, he took my copyright. Picked up the mic and he began to recite. But the people were wise, it's all too late. That MC, you better face your feet. Welly, we my man, long time no rhyme. Get on the mic, you rock so fine. So listen everybody, yeah, you don't stop, hey. Kinda fast. So listen everybody, my name is Death. I want my reputation in the rapper contest. Well, there was one MC who had a protest. He challenged me just to rock the mic best. You know, of course, I said yes. I got on my mic and switch on to progress. I had the people dancing as I drew my breath. So I rocked them with the rhyme, so wicked and fresh. And then I rocked them north, south, the east and the west. And not the end of the day, they had to confess. Cause they know I really people like chilly death. So yes, y'all, but you don't stop. Another D, my man, get ready to rock. Woo! Just listen to me, a devastating MC, aged about 20, around 20, you other MCs, boom and related, running down a rhyme, you get so aggravated, you underestimated, all the rhymes that I created, you came to demonstrate it, your rhymes are very dated, I'm not underrated, that's the way I'm motivated, no need to dilute, you take me concentrated, I'm to advertising, no need for analyzing, the rhymes I create are simply enterprising, no MC on the mic can't call me a wicked, all the B-boys just are hiding and seeking, all the black girls just are rocking and freaking, the people in the bass so you better get picky. The D's on the mic, keep the rapping and speaking out of my head. The rhyme listen to rock, and you don't quit. Willy wee, ha, better beat the shit. Until you sucker beat boys, you stay at my face, you better believe I'm like a serious case, cause I'm first across the line, the MC race. And when I'm on a microphone, I'm set in the pace. Here's a piece of advice, and now to save your face, or put down your microphone with the greatest of haste, and just leave the place without no trace. Cause I'm MC Willy Wee, I'm rock shocking the place. You don't, and you don't, you dare. The Willy Wee's in the face could never be shit. Yeah, I'm on the microphone. Well, I tilt to the beat like home from home. I got style, finesse, I'm plenty of fast. And when I'm on the microphone, I'm like a several pet. A Willy Wee's in the face, you better believe. Brought the master on the mic in the bite and cheap. I'm gonna put the people rocking to the serious group. Homeboys in the place, prepare to move. My style is dancing like a musical tree. So when you whack MC, you stare at me a time again. I prove my point in the MC world. My name's a so I just Willy Wee. Signing off, but most definitely start signing off. Hey, B-boys, 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 B-boys. So right now, flash some lyrics, Kenny Ranks, my man, my melody, my mellow man. Yo.
3D Warband's crew saying this is okay in the UK, so welcome to the Underground Massive Attack. Yeah, this ain't no lottie-dottie, this is no sequel. For this rap there will be no equal. Known as the original, gruesome, known to have fresh lyrics, so I'm gonna bust loose them. So, Scooby-Doo, you're down with the crew. On the mic singing 1, 2. Where to drink your tennis or where to drink your brew, you're down with the Warband's crew. 3D on on my back, kept stepping outside. I had the munches in the night, walking all Murphys, like tagging up on a crisp painted surface. Buff jacket on my back, you know it's vicious. Open up a tennis and it's so delicious. Je ne sais quoi, I'm looking like a vandal. Girl next door got me burning like a candle. Says, MC Blue, I can't kiss you. I know you kinda fishy, but oh, I got the flu. But don't worry yourself, I see you, baby, I'm immune. Hair slick, thick with the beat of Sassoon. Is it, ain't my baby, that's right. My baby used to hold me so tight. I'm the cool breeze, a cool operator. The ladies start rushing and I'm saying see you later. And it goes like this, and you know it's Chris. She turns around to the lady, she gives a kiss, singing it, oh my god, we was at the bomb. Oh my god, we was at the bomb. You know what I'm saying, the girl was chilling, so I did the outline and she did the filling. Where you wanna go, don't mind a little bit, because my mate measure too, but it's a shorter fit. She asked me the time, she says, what maker with a potential quartz, and it's made by Seiko. You and your crew, I says no way, baby, now it's for choice. Gives a little bit of my MCD voice. Baby, just cares for me, well that's funny. The label on my shirt, Temporio Armani. In limited edition, in retrospect. To push me too hard, the speakers get wrecked. I'm crushing opposition, shock of will and juice. Leaving a sign around your neck, saying out of use. Creating and taping up a L'Oreal system. Continental land, special ladies, I kiss them. Tweeties are large, wearing a little bit of mine. Ooh, what's the fart? Got it on, it's not Eve Sander wrong. It's Christian Dior and it's a ball of armor that's serious. You know, when I get in my pay, jumping into my gear without delay. El Suprema and I'm stepping on the street. Fresh fur on my head, a new kicks on my feet. I'm walking by Sony, cause Sony is sweet. I still can't relax when the ladies rush me. The matter over me, singing the matter over me. They want me to tag up on the stationery. They bring it to the party, singing it's complimentary. Autograph for me and you're paying no money. Raw Buns crew in the Nike penetrators. Looking so fresh, all the other crews haters. You know what I do to improve my status. Spending my pounds just like potatoes. You blow upon a whistle, you lick upon the wood. The Raw Buns crew tearing down the neighborhood, you know it.
Check it out one time. It goes like this. It goes turbo and charge, we are charged. Turbo and charge, we are charged. I need you, but once too at large. So Don't call me no opposite, just call me a son. Mashing up country and I'm mashing up abroad. Glad to go to America when I get a visa card. But getting a visa card nowadays is hard. Keep your ears straight and listen to every card. Tokyo City's one place that we start. 4 techniques plus 2 makes a bond. Papa tries to tell and everybody jumps aboard. We chop it down the razor altar with a consent song. Cause I'm the one and only, the only one. Original lyrics might call them homegrown. I'm on the mic, I leave my girlfriend alone. My favorite occupation is jumping up microphone. Hey Willie Wee, Daddy Liddy, I take the microphone over from me. Daddy G, you're known, I'm my choice. The MC on the mic with the luxurious voice. Daddy G, my man, my major concern. Oh, when I give you the key, you know it's my return. This rhyme dedicated to all the women. First rhyme I dedicated to all the pretty women. I can't live without them, but I can't live with them. I can't live without them, but I can't live with them. Although the company can be so frustrated, I met this white girl by the name of Jen. She looks so cute, like a 1 in a million. I checked the profile, it was real cute. The Lincoln money caught my eye. I thought it could see. I took a chance in the dance, but she looked well with the 4 on 4. You thought it going on. Was in the place by the ass hell minute. I got her by the hand and up we were slowing up. My bass like the queen and the king. She laid her head on the back. Chrissy Selena. I opened my mouth, love lyrics was through. She was trying to take it, and I wasn't giving. I wrote a side title, some side reading. I told her this drama dedicated to the women. They have no and only other getting with the crew. I'm the view, I'm fully trained and chilling. The Wild Bunch crew are always chilling. I played this game with my very own opinion. Was at least 20 or 30 minutes 3D. My man, get on the microphone and be the best you can.
It's serious, infectious, and dangerous. Serious, infectious, and dangerous. You know we're talking about the AIDS virus. It's taking America ready and it's contagious. It's the kind of thing that makes us anxious. Cause love turns to lust, love turns to lust. See another one bites the dust. What's another one bites the dust? See, don't check too far to get too promiscuous. 3 D's upon the mic and it's dangerous. Hey. Like this so well, we don't miss nice and easy. That's right, empty, cool, breezy. You're right, nice and easy. Sometimes I get slack, or don't sleazy. Posse move upon the mic and bustin' on the rhyme. But ain't a bud and it ain't militant. Give me a tennis and a brew. Let's put the see me through. You pass the microphone, nice up the venue. We don't get no trouble from the boys in blue. The Wild Bunch crew are tearing down the avenue. Electric is the atmosphere that we conduct. You hear a crap of murder, my rhyme already struck. Oh my God, it's at the bar. You listen to my song, Killer Brew. The crew is coming on strong. So we coffee combination is kicking in solo. Cause people like me, like the people like Polo. It's warming up the tab. We step up from the top. This is roof, not shit. You Killer Brew's flat. You don't get this. 87 comes next. And if I was a dinosaur, my title would be Rex. My front name, big names, jewelry on display. Escorting all the things that you stole the other day. We're cupping up fire, yeah, we're kicking up stuff. Corroding all the factors, turning gold, it's a rust. It's Wild Bunch crew, it's in your circulation. You're paying for the party or you come by invitation. It's turbo, it's no exaggeration. It's charged, we are charged, that's no exaggeration. When we take over for me, nice and easy on the mic, that's my time.
The look of love is in your eyes. A look your smile can't disguise. The look of love is saying so
DJ. There's so much to say, touch the Lord. Yo! Yeah. The most. The mic MC your host. I mean, they blow. Yo. Yeah. This one goes out to the crowd over there. Waving the hand in the air.